Hi, my name is Andy, and in this video we're going to learn how to take quizzes in Desire to Learn. So let's go ahead and click on this class's quizzes button here on the Black Course navigation bar. Here we have listed the quizzes for the course, and there may also be practice quizzes students can use before they take the actual quizzes they'll be graded on, such as these listed further down the page. Okay. Over here on the right, it'll show you how many attempts you've already made on each quiz and how many attempts are allowed for each quiz. So as this first quiz, there have been no attempts made yet, and there's only one attempt. Once you take that attempt, you're done. You don't have any more chances. However, as you can see on the rest of the quizzes, you can take these an unlimited amount of times. You can take them as many times as you want, okay? We'll use quiz 7 here to demonstrate, so let's click on that. So once you get here, be sure to review everything on the summary page. It's important information like, for example, how much time's allowed, how many attempts you're allowed, and the instructions for taking the quiz, okay? So once you're ready, go ahead and click the Start Quizzes button, and then click OK, and realize once you click OK, the timer starts if it's a timed quiz. Okay, so once you get here, go ahead and select your answers for each question, and once you select an answer, be sure to hit save, okay? You'll know it's been saved when you see the associated icon here on the left turn blue, alright? So, let me keep going here. Answer these. I'll save each one as I go. All the way through here. Okay, got them all done. And you can tell, like, because all these are blue now. Now, it's not going to hurt to hit the Save All Responses button here just to make sure that everything's saved. And then you can hit the or click on the Go to Submit Quiz button. Alright? And when you get here, click Submit Quizzes. And it'll ask you again as a safeguard, because once the quiz is submitted, there's no way to go back and change your answers. Okay? So once it's been submitted, depending on how your instructor has set up the quiz, you may or may not see the results. In this case, you can see the question showing both the answer that you marked and which answer is correct. So for example, the correct answer is B here, and I marked C, which is wrong, and so it's got a red X. So let's go back to the main quizzes page. And once you get here, if your instructor has not set up the quiz so you can immediately see which questions you got right and wrong, after the due date, you can come back here and use the drop-down menu to the right of the quiz's title, right here, and you can select Submissions. And you can look then at your attempts, and it'll show you your results at that point. But again, remember that you may have to wait till after the due date to see these, okay? So that's everything I have to show you about the quiz function. Good luck, and I hope you ace every quiz you take.